Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Litecoin. We're revisiting Litecoin. It's been a while since I covered Litecoin. It's been too long because I used to cover it, well, at least once a week. I think it's an interesting crypto. I like Litecoin a lot. I still think it has a lot of potential. From all of the other altcoins and old veteran cryptos, I think Litecoin is a great option. It's secure. It's a great store of value. It's pretty stable. I mean, it's not stable compared to the euro, but it is stable compared to other cryptos. So altogether, a great pick. Obviously, as it's halving coming this year in August, so I expect bullish momentum ahead of that. But on the short term, yesterday, and we've seen this more often, but it seems like Litecoin is almost a hedge to a bearish momentum. Because yesterday evening we had the interest rate. The interest rate initially caused quite a lot of bearish momentum for cryptos. For Litecoin, it did cause some bearish momentum. If you zoom in, you can see that. But we rebounced very, very quickly, and we barely found any resistance. And the thing I wanted to show you is that there was another time when that happened quite quickly afterwards. That was after the FTX crash. After the FTX crash, sure, we crashed, but we just crashed down to previous support levels, and from there we actually rallied. So altogether, Litecoin seems to be an amazing coin to hold in dire times in cryptos, which is in a bear market, which I would still argue we are in. A great characteristic. But all right, let's talk about Litecoin specifically. Let's talk about the technicals. And before we do so, if you want to receive daily trading signals, including on Litecoin, but all other cryptos, both futures trades, but also spot trades, check out the links down in the description. There you'll find instructions on how to join. But if we talk about Litecoin specifically, what we just did, and that's also why I made the thumbnail something like a huge Litecoin breakout. I'm not kidding. We broke above this 200 EMA plus this trend line. And if you take a look at this trend line, it's coming all the way from back in February. And the 200 EMA is a strong resistance as well. We have respected that a number of times in the last week and a half. So that breakout does definitely mean something, at least on the short term. But now now the real test is coming, and that is, can we hold that? And by the way, it's also just a normal key level. You can kind of see that historically around $86, $85. It's a support level. So what I think is happening right now is we found resistance at around 90 cents, or at least that area around 90 cents, which is practically 89 and 91. We found resistance there, which is to be expected. Now we'll drop down to $86 and $85. If I said cents earlier, I meant dollars. Now, if we can just hold that for the next 24 hours, then I think we have confirmed the bullish breakout. And because it's such a strong resistance level we broke above, I think Litecoin then is strong enough to also break above the resistance level at $90, which we might struggle with that a little bit longer, but eventually I think we'll be able to break above that and get up to our next price target around $94 and $95. Yeah, that's what I expect for now. I mean, it does depend on the market circumstances. If Bitcoin all of a sudden starts dropping massively, Bitcoin drops down towards 26,000, then we're probably going to have a little bit more drawdown, and we're not going to be as bullish. Then we will not break above $90, but that's not what I expect for Bitcoin on the short term. So we'll see. I'll keep you updated, but for now, this is my take on Litecoin. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.